Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is James 3D here with another video, and today we're going to be making this scene. Now, I know I'm going to be using Blenderkit again for this, but soon we're going to be going on to actual make, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So for right now, what you're going to need to do is delete this, leave the lights, go to scene, and then what you're going to do is click mountain road. I'm just trying here. You're gonna find forest road, click that, then this nice scene, and they're gonna say like this is just a paper. And then once it renders up, you're gonna get the better of this, so you're gonna have a scene that looks like this. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have a car here and a car going up there. I'm thinking the car up there should be a Beamer, a BMW, and a car coming back here. I'm thinking it should be like a Mercedes or like a Lambo, I think. So let's go with that. So now that we know what work we have cut out for us, let's do it. So first what you're going to do is that we're going to go and BMW. I don't know why I put EW. And then let's see. This looks something that we might use, but I just want to explore the other options before we choose. Off-road, not really. Alpine, yeah, something luxury. So let's do something like that. Yes. So then I'm going to click this, go here, press the period button, then scroll up. It's going to go under BMW, RZ90, actually the other 90, negative 90. Go move this in a little bit, and then we're going to go here, and then go move this up. Nice. And then move this over here. Because we know that this line right here is the yellow stripes, so we gotta keep it there. And then we're gonna rotate that so that it aligns. And let's see how much work that did for us. So let's see. You could tell that the car over here already. And it seems like we have to move this in because it's too far away. This line right here is the line that's predicting it. And maybe we should move it in a little bit, so let's do that. Also looks kind of weird from that angle. It looks kind of boxy, so let's just move this in. So G, X, G, Y. Then what we're going to do is rotate that, and then we have to rotate that up a little bit. Go to the side. Actually cannot see anything from the side, so I'm just going to do this. R, Y. Yes, G, Z. R, Y again, just to make sure. Yes. And then we're all good from there. So from there on, now we could just go add, and I don't know why we're gonna add the Lambo. I was gonna put Lambo, cause yeah, that's a GT car. So the Gallardo, yeah, definitely take it. Oh, but then we also have the Aventador. Let's take the Gallardo for right now. 2003. That's the same thing. It looks like you just go. That's the same guy too. It looks like it just changed color a little bit. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just gonna go with the later one because why not? Here. Dot. Look for that. R. Z. Lagged up a little bit. Do that. So that looks just about good. Then we're gonna go and see what's the size comparison. Scale that up a little bit. Not too large. And then let's see our options here. I'm hoping this looks good. So I think we have some of our stuff here. It's also the type of coloring it has as well, so you gotta give that. And then yeah, so this is our scene right here. So you could go and add one car, you could add 2 cars, but I would prefer somewhere between the radius of 1 and 2 cars right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video where we will actually be making a cool item. I'm not going to tell you what it is though, because that'll just ruin the whole entire point. Well, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for new videos, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.